Hello, welcome back to the brand new session of Certified Ethical Hacking Program. In this session, we are going to demonstrate footprinting through social networking sites. So, social networking services are online services, platforms, or sites that focuses on facilitating the building of social networks or social relations among the people. So, what is here our lab scenario? So, as a professional ethical hacker, during information gathering, you need to gather personal information about employees working in critical position in target organization. For example, the CISO, that means Chief Information Security Officer, maybe security architect, or maybe the network administrator, and so on. So, by footprinting through social networking sites, you can extract personal information such as name, position, organization name, current location, and educational qualifications. Further, you can find personal information such as professional information such as a company or business, current location, phone number, email ID, photo, a video, etc. Whatever you can find out, right? So the information gathered can be useful to perform social engineering, or you can say other type of advanced attack like phishing and so on. So what is our lab objective? We need to gather employee information from any kind of social networking site, or maybe any engine from where we can get the information, right? Then we can also gather the information from some social networking site tool like Sherlock. So first of all, we need to just be careful about the update, that what we are having the update. Anything there? Do we need to update our system? So let me just check. Is there any updates? I don't think so. So yes, our packages are updated. Now we are going to write the harvester, and you can see that the harvester, which is a tool name, then hyphen D for domain, EC council, which is my target organization, hyphen L for 500, that is a lines of results, and hyphen B for Yahoo. That is a that is a not Google search engine, sorry, that is a search engine, right, which we already discussed in our previous session. But our main motive is to collect some IP address, maybe host, maybe email addresses, maybe anything, if we can collect any information of anything, right? So I'm just checking out the Yahoo. So what you can do, you can also create a document that what you have found. So you can see that I have found some host, right? These are host. You can copy, and sorry, I need to press Ctrl Shift C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. And yes, I have found one, sorry, and I will paste it here. So these two stuffs which I have found. And one more thing we can do, that is Bing. If I can, let me just check. Am I getting something? Let me just check. So I think so, everything. Oh, one new email address I have found. So one more. So see, that is a difference between both of them. I think every email we already got. Espen, Cert, CISO, okay, Goddard, okay, fine. Everything, you can see that everything we already. Oh, this is a new one which is not here. Then okay, iClass is there, ID, Cyber Solutions is there, Store is there. Okay, fine. So every email we already found that. And one more thing which you can do, that is you can try LinkedIn, but I don't think so it will use, right? It will give you the results because LinkedIn is already, yeah, it is already removed from the database of the harvester. And in fact, you cannot use Google as well because they removed these search from the database. You can also try Facebook. Invalid source, already they removed. Let me just check Twitter. So I hope I will get something. No, so this is already invalid source. Next, you can try, yes, GitHub. You can also try. I don't think so. It will use, yeah, invalid source. Maybe some other stuff like DuckDuckGo. I hope I will get something. I hope. So no, nothing new. I have not found anything. So here we got, I think, yep. So this is how we can conclude this session. The next step, that is share log. So let's have a look into the share log. So we will just clean this terminal, and I will also minimize this. So first of all, we need to understand Sherlock is a Python-based tool that is used to gather information about a target person over various social networking sites. And the Sherlock search is a vast number of social networking sites for a given target user, locates the person and displays the results along with the complete URL related to that particular person. So here we will use Sherlock to gather personal information about the target from the social networking sites. So let's consider, if I just take any person like Satya Nadella, we also took that personality in the previous session as well. So you need to just open your terminal. Please make sure that all the things are updated. Then you can just go through Mozilla Firefox and you can try to write down Sherlock tool, and yes, you can just go through, and here you can see that that is a Sherlock project, Sherlock, and here you can copy this URL. You can also try to copy here. Once you copy it, you can just minimize this and you can go through, try git clone, and yeah, it's working. So here what it will be done, so you are downloading the tool in the tool directory which you have created newly, and git is a tool, and you can just try to ls and you can see Sherlock is there. You can just go to the Sherlock and here you can see okay, fine. So we are having a lot of files here. Requirement is there, Docker file is there, image is there, everything is there. So basically here you can see requirement.txt is there, right? And you can do one thing, python 3-m pip install -r requirement, okay, requirement.txt. So let me just check, is it working or not? So yeah, it's working. We need to wait for some time. Once it's done, yes, we can proceed. So now everything is fine. So let me just check python 3 Sherlock -help. Okay, so now you got the help from the Sherlock commands. Fine, very good. So now what we can do, now you can check this command what I'm running right now, python 3 Sherlock and Satya Nadella, right? Let me just check, is it working or not? So you can see that checking username Satya. So now Sherlock will use a lot of websites tools to find this personality. So the main purpose, the attacker can further use the gathered URLs to obtain the sensitive information about the target such as a date of birth or employment status and information about the organization that they are working for, including the business strategy, potential client, and upcoming project plans. So yes, this is all about how we can use the Sherlock tool to gather all the information, or maybe whatever we can, get the information for the target organization or the target personality, right? You can also use tools such as social searcher as well, and user recon, right? So those two tools are most capacity, so you can use those tools as well, social searcher and user recon as well. So let me just show you social searcher tool. Here you can see that. And the next, what I have told you, user recon. Please have a look. So I think you will get on GitHub, and the social searcher, which is a website. So yes, you can try to use Satya Nadella, right? So this is a nice tool. You can use this tool as well. And user recon, again, which we have done, so you can choose that well, right? And here you will get all the information that how you can use, right? This is again a tool which you can use in a same manner which we have used the last one, and that was Sherlock. So you can again open a new tab and sudo git clone, but I don't think so is it working or not, because we already using this. Yeah, fine. Okay, so now, okay, so I have installed in Sherlock directory. So now what I will do, I will just move this user recon file, right, in slash home taker and tools, sorry, tools, cannot move, permission denied. Okay, fine, let me just try with sudo. Yeah, it's done. So now I will just try to back cd tools, and I will just go to the user recon, and let's have a look into this particular. Yeah, so you need to just give chmod, you need to just add execute command to user recon.sh. Okay, I need to give sudo, and then you can try to run user recon, right? Input username Satya. Okay, let's try Yash J Pandit. So now you can see that Instagram found, Facebook found. Oh, nice. Okay, good. And Twitter, it is finding out. So this is how you need to use the social searcher and the user recon in this way, right? So you will get all the details on the social searcher and GitHub, which I have told you, the nice tool. The tool name was user recon, right? That is a nice tool you can use, and you can see that a lot of websites found my username, right? So that is a good thing which you can use, and you can see the lot of things are going on. So I'll just stop this. You can also try to use Control Z or Control C to terminate this process. If the Sherlock is not working, so you can just try all the profiles are finding out. So there are a lot of There are a lot of things which I caught. I don't know which profile are those, but yes, you can just click on those and you can just go through that. Maybe there are some fake profiles as well. I am having only 2 or 3 profiles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, on and LinkedIn. Yes, J Pandit is my username on Facebook, Instagram. Not sorry, Facebook, Twitter, and on Instagram I am having the Yash Pandit official, and that is not my account. So I need to just check that which one is that. So I'll just try to find that whose profile is this, because I'm not sure who is this Yash J Pandit on. Okay, so this is not available, so maybe that is something wrong. That's why I was just surprised that who created my profile. And just let me check the Facebook. Okay, and open the link. I think it's mine. Yeah, this is my account. I can check that this is my account. Okay, fine. This is a verified, authenticated. You can have a look into that part. So there are a lot of profiles which you can use. So this is how we can perform footprinting through social networking sites, or maybe something like that. So in this session, we discussed about the how we can gather the employee information if we can find from any social networking sites, or maybe something like that. Then we used Sherlock. Then we also used Social Searcher, and one more which we had used, that was User Recon. So that is how we use these tools for performing footprinting through social networking sites.